Captain Roop Lakhani.
All are settled well. Hope so. Dear participants, now I'm going to tell you the privilege of the IBP premium members. Premium members business category will be always reserved. Premium members will get 90 seconds for self-introduction. IBP organize IBP premium members one chapter meeting once in a month, that is first Friday of every month. And here participants are coming from across Mumbai, Thane and Navi Mumbai. Also we organize Let's Meet at Mall sessions. Here only premium members can participate either third or fourth week of every month. Kindly visit IBP News YouTube channel to watch the videos of all the IBP meetings. Once in a 2 months, there will be give and gain talk session, power team meeting of 8 to 10 premium members, and it will be hosted by IBP founder. 6 minutes feature presentation opportunity on rotation basis, profile interview, shorts, IBP makeup, everything for the premium member in association with the IBP News YouTube channel, and which help IBP premium members to promote their business anywhere in the world. Isn't it great?
Yes.
So let me ask, are you all excited to become IBP premium member? Whoever is attending as a guest or as a non-premium member today, that's my question to you. There's no answer. I look forward, hopefully and positively. Over to Captain.
Thank you, Roop. So now we start with the referral sharing and business collaboration session. So if dear members, if you have any reference for your fellow members, please mention their names while talking along with the serial number and Excel sheet. Parallelly, if you are interested to work in collaboration with any of your fellow members, also mention their business category and their names. It will help us to keep a record. Accordingly, we can analyze the performance of the meeting. So if you have done any business with your fellow members, kindly mention their names with thank you slip amount. Also, if you have done any face-to-face meetings with your fellow members, kindly mention the names and the testimonials you have for your fellow members. So let's start. Okay, yeah. So before starting a session we will request our leadership team member, Mrs. Simran Vasantani, to talk about our association of IBP with Coffee Chat app and how this will help IBP members to grow their networking scopes. Simran ji, you can start now.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone. This is Simran and I would like to talk about this Coffee Chat app. So what is Coffee Chat app? It's a networking platform that makes it easy to build real-life professional connections through community-driven coffee meetups. So engage with professionals and communities like IBP and others who host Coffee Chat, helping you build a more authentic and sustainable network. Expand your professional and social horizons, as Coffee Chat is a vibrant community where like-minded individuals come together to connect, share, and foster meaningful connections. So Coffee Chat is on a mission to bridge the gap from the digital to a real-life connection, bringing people together over a cup of coffee at their favorite cafe, your vendor partners. So whether you are seeking to expand your network or meet potential collaborators or simply share a coffee with a person whom you share your passion, Coffee Chat is the place to be in. So I would request you all, I'm going to share the link on our group also, and we can connect with a lot of like-minded people, get together. I think we all need more visibility for our products, and thank you so much Broto and IBT team for being part of Coffee Chat. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Simran ji. Your speech was very informative and for all our participants here today. So now let's start with the referral sharing and collaboration session. Okay, we start from Premlata Jain.
As an advocate, I should not ask anything from anybody. Yes, people are majorly people sometime in difficulty. Definitely, they can approach me. I can help them out in any way, either in societies or in personal matters, whatever way. So any help, you people can connect with me. Thank you.
After last meeting, I had connected Premlata ji to my society. I need to follow up with my society about the outcome of that discussion. I had also connected Mrs. Roshni Arora with one of my acquaintances, and she will be putting the thank you slip today. I have already referred one requirement for workman compensation policy to Sonia ji. Thank you.
उम्र को हराना है तो शौक जिंदा रखिए, शौक अच्छे हो या बुरे, स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रखिए, अच्छा हेल्थ चाहिए और थैंक यू स्लिप चाहिए तो मुझे याद रखिए। मेरा फर्स्ट थैंक यू स्लिप है संजय माथुर जी के लिए 14,700 के रुपीज, पंडित जी के लिए 6,900 रुपीज एंड सिमरन जी फॉर 5,790 रुपीज। थैंक यू। सुखदेव जी आपने जो भेजा है, हाँ वो अप्रॉक्सीमेट 28,000 रुपीज है। 14,800 है।
याद नहीं रहा, बहुत पैसा
25,000 कम्युनिकेशन क्या है वो 27,800 रुपीज है।
पासबुक लेके आया करो।
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
कैश कलेक्शन के लिए रेडी।
Ajay Madane, from premium member number 2. I have references, personal references for Bhanu Prasad Gupta ji and Kamal Shinde. Advocate Premlata Jain, I have already passed one reference to you. Sadanand ji. Then Roshni, we have one reference for you, and would like to have one-to-one with Divesh Gupta and Jaya Shinde. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं नीलेश के लिए टेस्टिमोनियल देना चाहूंगा कि फ्यू डेज बैक मेरे घर पे काफी कॉकरोचेस और ये सडनली आ गए थे, और जस्ट मैंने उनको एक मैसेज डाला तो उनकी टीम ने विद इन 15 मिनट्स में मुझे कॉल बैक करके नेक्स्ट डे मेरा प्रॉब्लम को काफी अच्छी तरह सॉल्व किया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट। सेकंड 1-to-1 मेरा प्रदीप कदम जी से हुआ, एंड काफी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट है, और वो मेरी ही बिल्डिंग में मुझे 1-to-1 में एक सक्सेस स्टोरी बताया था कि मेरी नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर ही उनकी क्लाइंट निकली, तो उनकी हेल्थ को काफी इश्यूज था, तो वो मेरे सामने ही देखा हुआ एक लाइव टेस्टिमोनियल है कि कैसा है, और मैंने जाके वेरीफाई भी किया था कि कैसा है, तो थैंक्स फॉर दैट। पंडित जी के लिए मैं लास्ट मंथ में मैंने 1-to-1 यहाँ पे किया था, और उन्होंने जो मेरी पर्सनल 2-4 बातें कही जो मेरे सिवा और किसी को नहीं मालूम है, तो एक बार मैं वापस उनसे मिलना चाहूंगा। रियली यानी जो बोलते हैं ना कि सही है, और सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है कि उनको पैसों में उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं जितना उन्होंने जैसे बोला कि सामने वाले की स्माइल वही उनकी सबसे बड़ी इनकम है। आई एम रियली थैंक्स टू। ऐसा है दिव्येश भाई को मैंने लॉन्ग टाइम पहले, हम तो पुराने दोस्त थे, बट उन्होंने मेरे 2-3 क्लाइंट्स के काफी अच्छे गार्डन्स के और उसके काम किए हुए घर में होम गार्डन्स के लिए, और मेरे के क्लाइंट का फोन सामने से आता है कि भाई रेफरेंस दो तो ऐसा दो, और वेंडर दो तो भी ऐसा ही दो। थैंक यू उसके लिए। रोशनी मेरी हेल्थ के लिए, सेम गुप्ता जी ने मेरे काफ़ी क्लाइंट्स और काफ़ी जगह पे कमल जी ने मिलके काफ़ी पेशेंट्स को अच्छा किया हुआ है, तो मैं दोनों को रेकमेंड करूँगा वो बात के लिए। मालिया जो लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपसे 2 क्लोज लिए थे मेरी वाइफ के लिए, शी इज़ रियली हैप्पी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट। नम्रता मेरी पुरानी दोस्त है, तो जस्ट एज अ विजिटर आज वो मेरे लिए आई है। तो मेरे कुछ सऊदी और यूएई और अपना न्यूजीलैंड के कुछ क्लाइंट्स है और मेरे कुछ रिलेटिव्स है जो उनसे रेगुलर लेते हैं और मेरी बात तो हमेशा आई थिंक मेरा पॉकेट कम करती ही रहती है। ठीक है, ऐसा है, कभी लगता है कि गलती कर लिया दोनों को मिलवा के। ऐसा है। थैंक्स प्रीति जी का मैंने ये लिया था अपना दाल मखनी, रियली वर्थ इट। एंड सभी को मैं बोलूँगा एटलीस्ट एक पैकेट्स लीजिए तो आपको पता चलेगा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द टेस्ट एंड रेडी टू ईट फूड क्या होता है। ठीक है, ऐसा है। माथुर जी से 1-to-1 करना चाहूँगा। अन्नू कपूर जी के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे कई बार केक्स एंड चॉकलेट्स लिए हुए हैं, तो मार्केट की डेयरी मिल्क सबको याद रहती है, बट सच और उससे ज़्यादा मुझे अन्नू जी की चॉकलेट्स ज़्यादा बेटर लगी। थैंक यू सो मच। जहाँ पे वो बोलते ना प्योर और वेरी बोलते ना नेचुरल वे से उन्होंने बनाया हुआ है और एक माँ का प्यार उसमें हमेशा झलकता है। थैंक यू। और थैंक यू नोट्स उन्नू जी की तरफ से 274 रुपीज, फिर रूप कमल जी की तरफ से रूप रखानी सॉरी अप्रोक्स 9,000 नियर बाई, एंड कमल जी की तरफ से 7,000 to 8,000 रुपीज, मालिया की तरफ से 2747 समथिंग कुछ नियर बाई, एंड और काफी लोग आए नहीं है। ठीक है, नॉर्मल एवरेज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 50 टोटल 50,000 के आसपास का टोटल। थैंक यू सो मच।
हिरल गुप्ता जी,
रियली वेटिंग फॉर द फ्यू पीपल ऑर्डर्स लाइक डॉक्टर मदान, उनके ऑर्डर्स के लिए पहले तो मेरा नंबर सेव कर लीजिए आप, हर बार पूछते कौन हो। डॉक्टर भैया का मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि कब उनका ऑर्डर आए। उनका जो प्रीमियम सोसाइटीज है उसमें मुझे एंट्री चाहिए। रियली पर्सनली रिक्वेस्ट टू यू। थैंक यू।
इसको बोलते हैं नेटवर्क।
So I really appreciate Hiran for supporting me, and I really pending long do pending 1-to-1 and $1,000 thank you slip to Hiran. So we'll definitely connect this week.
कमी है दोस्त किसको बोले जो हमेशा वही नहीं, बट ही इज माई वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड एंड वेरी गुड फ्रेंड। तो हमेशा हम लोग ने कोलैबोरेशन का बात किया, बट सम ऑफ द रीजंस वो मुझे फ़ोन करते हैं तो मैं अवेलेबल नहीं होता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ तो वो नहीं होते। तो ये तो बिजनेस है और दोस्ती है तो होता रहता है। हाँ, आई एम रियली सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट। जया को मैंने कम से कम 4 to 5 रेफरेंस दिए हुए लास्ट मंथ से लेके अभी तक में, और अभी रिसेंटली भी मैंने एक रेफरेंस पास ऑन कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट आया हुआ है, तो वहाँ पे भी आप बात कर लीजिए।
So friends, good evening again. First of all, I would like to thank Subrata sir and Malad to come over to my place and make the videos for me. That was really excellent and very nice. And then thank you slip to referral was there for Hiral, and almost thank you slip of 3,500 from 3,500. So उसमें रूप लखानी, जया मैम, देवेश गुप्ता इज देयर, प्रियंका, रोशनी, संजय सर, सबका थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, I have to do 1-to-1 with Nilesh, and probably will start soon, at least with my residents. And I have been working with Roshni, looking for a little more support from her. I want to grow. I want to do 1-to-1 with Namrata. Very wonderful products, and we could do a lot in the e-commerce sector. And Preeti ji, I've not met, but we have long pending due with Anuji and Preeti ji, so we will be meeting soon and growing. And of course, I had my testimonials for Pandit ji and Divya. Great help and probably great source where we got a lot of directions and guidance, and hopefully looking for excellent results following both of them, whatever has been done. And Mr. Madani, I have to meet. I have a lot of whatever we had discussed, probably it has moved forward. And हिरन से तो मिलना है, वो मिलता ही नहीं है, ऑलवेज बिजी जी इसके बाद मिस्टर शास्त्र बताइए साधारण जी शास्त्र and I have something for you, so I will give you that referral and we can start. Thank you.
एक मिनट मुझे आई एम रियली सॉरी, रेनू जी ने मुझे 1069 का बिजनेस दिया हुआ है, प्लस आज स्पेशली वो मेरे लिए और 3 साड़ियाँ ट्राई क्लीन के लिए लेके आए हैं, जो मेरे बलून का मुझे मेरा ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट होना बचा है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट.
So I have to connect with Sanjay sir. बहुत टाइम से हमारा पेंडिंग है, जब वो फोन करते हैं तो मैं बिजी, मैं फोन करती हूँ तो वो बिजी, नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट. तो डेफिनेटली दिस वीक वील कनेक्ट विद.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी अगर मैं किसी का भी नाम भूल जाऊँ, तो ये मेमोरीज के लिए फिर पिंस ले लूँगी आप लोगों से. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. सोनिया जी ने उसके पहले की मीटिंग में मेरे से काफ़ी लिया था, मॉल मीटिंग में भी काफ़ी लिया था, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. रूप ने अभी मुझे रेफरेंस दिया स्वीट्स के लिए, नम्रता बॉट समथिंग फॉर मी, हीरल, संजय, सुब्रतो, सॉरी मैं आपको मिस करती हूँ. इनका पहले सतीश जी, उनका पहले भी उन्होंने लास्ट टाइम लिया, अभी भी उनका ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर आ गया है, सर ने लिया है, काफ़ी लोगों ने मेरा आपने लिया था. So lot of maybe 4,000 to 5,000 approximately. Thank you, sleep of everyone. 5 later, no problem. So, and I'm extremely sorry if I missed out. And I have taken Jaya's service, excellent service. And she was so prompt, and I mean, I need to do it now because I have only one day because exhibition था उसका मुझे invite भेजना था. Immediately she was at the doctor, she came and immediately she did it. An excellent job. And both the son is little this thing, even they loved her this thing. So she's very good. Then she again created, before that she created one menu. Again she created one more PDF for me. She's very good in her work. I have bought last time Malva's cream. It's working good. Hope I'm looking good. I'm using her products. So thank you for that. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you for that.
I'm sorry I forgot to mention that we have been using chocolates from Anuji and it is ready to eat foods from Priti ji, and actually my family is not interested whether I'm attending the meeting or not, but they are interested after the meeting कब है, when are you going, so that we can get the chocolates and the cookies and all these kind of things. Today my son will be waiting to eat this, you know, something like that. Really yummy and good stuff, both, and it is really good. Thank you.
And even Anuji's chocolates, even last time I got, and everyone, अच्छा ये क्या है? Coffee के साथ chocolate, everyone was so excited, so thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Roop Lokani has approached me for a thing, but I was driving, I was going off station, I could not make it, and I will try and contact you. And I have got many lists, but today I am in a very tight schedule. So there are some interior designers or something, I want to meet them. Thanks everybody.
He is a manufacturer, snacks manufacturer. You will get better rate from the store in the market. He is basically supplying to all the stores. He is our special friend because of the days here.
I tried this for very good.
Sorry, I forgot. I have taken this 2 packets. Yeah, thanks.
Thank
yeah.
you so much. Thank you.
I want to thank so many people because last time so many people bought products from me, so I can't remember. But of course, I want to acknowledge Malahat for every time anybody is there, she's the first one to encourage and buy the product, and that is a beautiful gesture, Malahat. Thank you so much for doing that.
This is all stuff they are wearing.
Always there for everyone.
Yeah. This shirt I've taken it from her.
Last time, yeah.
Very nice.
I want to acknowledge you for that. You have always been there for each and everyone and encouraged them. Secondly, Hero always supporting. always pushing, and he's after my life, and I will make a PPT very
Good
soon.
friends.
Yeah, sure.
Good friends always win.
And always he encourages, he guides. So, apart from people buying and giving the thank you slip of money, I think this is the priceless thing. One should acknowledge each other for their support and being there. And of course, Subrata, I'm really, really glad that the way his energy is, my God, I can't beat. Nobody can beat that. And thank you so much for being who you are. Otherwise, this would have not been possible. And Anupam, thank you so much for coming and listening to me. And I hope you enjoy and meet people, and let's see. Thank you so much.
So I have a thank you slip for Raina Tandon. So she was here in one of the previous meets. So she's got her son to me for aligner treatments. So her total cost is 1,70,000, of which I have received 50,000 already.
Great.
I would really thank her for that, and I would look forward to connect with Namrata, yes, for her beautiful products, and also Malia. Thank you. Yes. Also, Captain Aditi, she's contacted me. She is in too much pain, she said, so she'll be visiting me soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Reference में मेरा नाम आप डाल दीजिए.
Yes.
50,000.
हाँ?
505.
हाँ. They asked for a thank you slip, no, not.
नहीं आप रेफरेंस भी बोल सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
जैसे आज मैंने मॉर्निंग में पिकअप करवा लिया.
हाँ.
मेरे लिए रेफरेंस हो गया.
डॉक्टर को भी दवाई चाहिए अभी.
I'm looking forward to a very beautiful testimonial once my stains are gone.
So, my thank you slip is for Mr. Sanjay Mathur, Hiran, Simran ji, Subrata ji, Sadanand ji for a wonderful reference, and Pradeep Kadam ji. Thank you so much, and it is around 15,000 plus. Thank you so much. And I am going to connect with Mr. Ajay Madane on Monday, coming Monday. And I am going to refer, there is a function going on in my society. I am planning to involve Hiral and Renu ji in that activity. I am talking about that, those references will be there. And yes, looking forward to meet you all. Thank you so much.
Hi,
And chocolates of Anuji are really delicious. My daughter likes it a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I had got my visiting pamphlet from Jayaji, and it was too good. I'm a little fussy on my things, and I got to do it again and again till I was satisfied, and she did a very good job. So thank you for that. And yes, I would like to connect to Veera ji. I think we connected once, but yes, we are going to communicate more. And
Can you be louder on the mic?
But here, no, it's okay. And also Simran ji, because of the artifacts, yeah. And I loved your sweets, so I will come to you. Thank you.
Thank you still here. No,
I just
I would like to give thank you and gratitude who bought my books last month. Rajkumar ji, Preeti ji, Pradeep, Simran, Sanjay ji, Rupakhani. And if I'm missing anyone from last month, I don't remember. So the amount was 3,000. And I just got Komal ji connected to her ask right away. And she is going to send her pictures, your ask for the architect of South Bombay. So I just got her connected right now, and the architect told me to send the number to Komal ji and send the pictures to her, so please follow it up. Yeah. And yes, next week I hope, Jaya, you have time for me, because I want to design my energy circle cards and quotes what I have given you today. Thank you. Yeah, I said 3,000.
Next month, no? Or now? This was the last month.
And then now.
Okay, so then, yes, I'm not.
So today if I say Komal, Sonia, Mayank, and who else? What? Yeah. Drumil, yeah. So wait, I tell you. Yeah, so but it is showing 4 on my list, but I have more money in my pocket. You bought? Yeah, last time. Yeah. Okay, so I think so I will add. So right now, wait, I'll just check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4,000. 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 4. 3,000 plus 4,000.
7,000, 7,000.
Yeah.
7,000.
If I miss anybody, I'll do my next time.
I would like to thank Komal Makija who collaborated with me and every business out of these 2,000. And also Pooja, she not here but she did a business of 9,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, mine is I think 14,500. 11,000 is Simran's, and 3,500 is Mr. Kadam's. So thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. And yeah, yours was last time. Yeah, 5,000. Yeah, the cream. Yeah, 5,500. Yeah. So it's not 14,500. It's not 14,500. I think it's 14,500 plus 5,500 plus 3,000 Anuji's. Thank you so much. Yeah, हाँ उसके साथ है. And yours was yeah, yours also. But I'm so sorry, you know, I've got a very bad memory. So even Sonia's 5,000, right? And yours, Komal's 6,000. Yes, so please add. And I'm so sorry, Hiral, I'll add you now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Jayaji. I gave referral to my husband, and my husband could get some nice stationery done from her, and he was very, very happy. So it was really very nice of you. Thank you so much. And Hiral, thank you so much for coming and taking. I know you have to come back again. And Anuji. Yeah, Anuji, I've always taken her chocolates. Thank you so much. They are really nice.
I would like to thank Sadashiv sir because he did the car insurance for me, and that was around 7,950. Yeah, it's okay. And Malahat's cream was really good. I mean, we met at the mall, so it's like actually very good for the complexion and all. And I would like to do 1-to-1. Yeah, of course. And so also Subrata took his health insurance policy from me for the top up. So that was around 8,000, 8,500. Yeah, sum insured was 20 lakhs. So you can have a cheaper top up with a higher sum insured. And yeah, that's it. And I would like to do 1-to-1 with Divya whenever possible. Now let's pass on to Shwetali.
I have referred to Salam, then Hiral Panchali, Priti Shah, Roshni already I have shared. Theo, I'll share you some opticians number so you can connect with them. Okay? And we'll do 1-to-1 with your members, and personally we can connect it with you. It's my second meeting, so we'll be there. touch with you, and thank you for today's presentation. Thank you so much.
I'd just like to interrupt. Thank you to Jaya Shinde. Actually, I wanted to make that one pager and also, and it was like, I kept telling her that add this, add that. It was quite elaborate, like it was, maybe for her, like, to keep making changes. But she really did a very good job, and like, I'm really happy with that. Thank you.
One thank you slip for Pandit ji also. मैं भूल गई, sorry.
Thanks to for the lovely chocolate. Thank you, chocolate also. I'll thank Dr. Gupta also for the lovely product, and I am benefited with this medicine. And I thank you also to Ms. Meena. I am still doing the job on the way in the process. I would like to meet. For the card. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Veena ji for connecting me to this group. Thank you Subrata ji for adding me to the group. It was really nice meeting you all. So I would like to connect with Mr. Kaude and Mr. Sanjay Mathur ji. I would like to connect with you, and Simran madam, and yes, that CCTV person. I already we have exchanged the class, and look forward to coming to meetings. Thank you very much.
सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी अजय मदानी जी को, क्योंकि इन्होंने गर्मियों में मई जून में बहुत सारे मैंगोज के पेटीज, आई थिंक सो 5-6 पेटीज ही सेंड एट माय होम. इट वाज रियली वेरी डिलीशियस. And Mr. Rajkumar ji visit my home, showroom and office. The process is on the way, go full like positivity, come to my office, home and showroom as well. And I bought a dress, that is FP लिया है, and रोशनी के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं. I'm using a very good product from Modicare. Thank you so much. And I'm looking to forward to meet you all if I can create any referral anyone. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I'd like to connect with Sanjay Mathur. Yeah. And Anu Kapoor for some good gluten-free vegan cakes. Yeah, I'll be in touch with you. Yeah. Thank you, Roshni, for your awesome products, and Gupta ji also. Thank you so much.
I would really like to get connect with Gauri Shankar ji. We have some requirements, and I would really like to connect with Hiral sir. You have good contacts, so you can give my reference. If anyone needs premium quality chess, so you can connect with Fine Focus INC and Nuruddin Mukati sir. So we will help you for sure. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a guest today, and what I noticed in the meeting today is that people are really helpful, and it's more like a family environment. What I see here, depending on the different categories and the areas, but they are always looking forward to see how my colleague or my friend gets business through me, and how I can be of help. That is kind of feeling I'm getting today in the meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Subrato, for calling me.
Thank you so much, Maria, for inviting me. Thank you, Subrata ji, for being such a warm host. And also, yeah, really, it is a good family which has been like seeing me. So it's a kind of very casual, informal, and even formal, where people are discussing business so casually. So it's really new to me. Thank you so much for this place. Thanks, Zubor, and she's my very close friend, very close to me. So we are working on a project together. Let's see how it goes. Thank you. So
This is my first meeting, and it's lovely connecting with most of you.
He is the person joined here via coffee chat. That's right, yeah. So, honestly, I was not aware what coffee chat was. I had to one of the meetings by DLL. I had met Ms. Hanu Kapoor also there. Okay, so someone had put me on coffee chat and I got connected to some person in Canada through coffee for investments. So it's a really small world. Okay, so it's lovely meeting with a few people here, and I will look forward to be in touch whenever it's possible. Thank you, everyone.
अच्छा लगा आके, लग ही नहीं रहा है कि पहली बार हम सब मिल रहे हैं. All are very energetic and happening people. मतलब सब ऐसे excited है help करने के लिए कि हम किसको क्या help कर सके. Thank you so much. Thank you for shopping, Maria, Priyanka, Chaitali, right? अच्छा, Ruplata, thank you. Approx 1500.
1,500.
Here everyone has thanks to each other, but none of them has thanks to Subrata. I want to thank to him only because he has referred me lot. He has given me a lot of references, and definitely we are talking on a day-to-day basis also. And yeah, he is forwarding me the references. I am definitely working on the project whatever he has given me, and I am helping the people, and they are happy also. So I really want to thank him. Thank you.
I'd like to thank Preeti Jain. I've taken your sweets, they were awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I also want to thank Jaya because she was handling my, my stall.
Thank you so much, Jaya. I missed you, yeah. It was very important. You were handling my stall, so thank you so much, yeah.
She's a very nice person.
The thing is, she's doing encouraging for open networking. Because of that, she's giving support. And it is very, rare case. Nobody is supporting like this. Good. She's supporting IBB from the day of the inception.
Anybody is pending? Anyone is pending? Anyone pending?
It's time to cheer up. And I'll ask you how. Excuse me, the meeting is not yet over. Can we just pay attention here, please? Ajay ji, can we pay attention here, please? Now I all want to really clap. And I'm asking a question. What can be today's business generated? Any good guess? Any good guess? Today's business generated?
10 lakhs.
Okay, so here goes to Mr. Subrata. Today, referral share number was nearly 75. Total referral. Total business generated today was 3,51,290. And total business generated from January 24 to August 24 was till August it was 13,89,130. And counting today's total is 17,38,920. So cheers to all of you for generating this business. And total testimonials for today was 23. Keep passing testimonials, keep passing thank you slip, keep showing your gratitude and love to the members. Thank you so much, and we move ahead towards tea and coffee.
One second.
Hello. So let me all tell you that we are going to have a let's meet at mall session. That session is for like, you know, so that you get to meet and do one-to-one. Hello.
Wait.
Please all of you all pay attention, yeah?
We always organize a let's meet at mall session. So you all can come and like, you know, do one-to-one with each other over there. So we'll be announcing that it will be after Ganpati. Yeah? So now I'm sure each of your business could benefit from the program. We will organize IBP business meetings on first Friday of every month. Next meeting will be on 1st October because of Navratri.
Hello, wait, everyone. Our next meeting will be on 1st October because of Dandiya. We just came ahead on Tuesday. So keep block your date. Divya, first नहीं आओगे? ठीक है, चलो कोई बात. Hello, तो ठीक है, block your date.